Well, I am very confused now. So I filmed this ethanol train at Bill Jones Road about an hour or so ago. I was going into Ottawa to get something. And then coming out of Ottawa, I filmed a southbound coal train. And I get down here to Red Clay, and this thing is stopped on the tracks. He started moving again, obviously. That means that coal train is behind him, waiting his turn to get through. So I don't know if this train had a mechanical issue, they had to get out and check something, or what happened. I just don't know. But they're rolling again. I guess they got it figured out. Got it rolling now. Alright folks, we're going to hang out here a few minutes and wait for the coal train again. Stand by.